Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to use MagicSeat, a program that allows you to automatically search for fish or weaker recreational players in most of the major poker rooms. In today's video, we'll go through how to set up the program for the iPoker network. We'll be using the Red Star Poker Room as our example. First, we need to download MagicSeat. Go to MagicSeat.net, then open the FAQ section, find the Where to Get page, and save the file to any folder you like. You can also open the Functions description page in the FAQ. There you'll find a short written explanation of MagicSeat's main features and how the script works. To use the program safely, MagicSeat includes a masking system. This means that MagicSeat can disguise itself as any 64-bit program on your computer. Thanks to this, poker rooms cannot directly detect the use of our auto-seating script. As a recommendation, we suggest using Discord for masking. If you don't have Discord installed, you can choose any other 64-bit program that is usually running on your computer. In our case, we'll use Discord. So, right-click the Discord shortcut, enable Run as Administrator, launch Discord, and then close the main window so that Discord stays running in the system tray. Administrator rights also need to be enabled for the poker room client. In general, all programs that we use together with MagicSeat should always be launched as administrator. Now let's go back to MagicSeat. Extract the archive to any convenient folder. Also enable Run as Administrator for it, launch the program, and select the masking program. As you can see, the script startup window has appeared. And if we open Task Manager, we can see that MagicSeat itself is not visible as a running process in the system. Now let's open the script settings and set up the optimal configuration for using the script on the iPoker network. Every time you launch the script, pay attention to the version number. If the version number is highlighted in yellow, it means you need to update the script to the beta version. Let's update it right now. Go to the last section, About, click Update to Beta Version, and confirm the dialog window. Wait until the update is complete, and then restart the script. Now let's enter the license key into the correct field. As you can see, we have iPoker 1 and iPoker 2. MagicSeat allows you to work with two iPoker skins at the same time. For example, the main player pool and reservation tables. If you play on only one iPoker skin, then, just like me, you need to enter the key in the first field. But if you want to play on two iPoker skins at the same time, you need to enter the first key in iPoker 1 and the second key in iPoker 2. To find the path to the poker room folder, right-click the room's icon, choose Open File Location, and you will see the folder where the room is installed. Now, in the script, we need to click the white rectangle next to iPoker 2, follow the same path, and give access to the poker room folder. Important: if you only use one iPoker skin, you do not need to do this. It is enough to simply add the key to the first iPoker field. Now let's configure the play area, the main area where our tables with fish will be placed. If you plan to play 6 tables with the script, set X to 3 and Y to 2, or the other way around. If you want to play 8 tables, set X to 4 and Y to 2, or vice versa. I'll stick with 6 tables and set X to 3 and Y to 2, because I want the area to be wider horizontally. This is the general area for all tables used by the script. Tables from all rooms where you play with the script will be placed in this area. each table also has a number that controls its position in the grinding area. So you can swap the numbers around, and table number 1, for example, will be placed not in the top left corner, but on the right side instead. In my case, I'll leave the default settings. Now let's configure the second important area, the scan area. This is the script's technical area, where the script searches for fish for you. All tables will be opened in this area. As soon as the script finds a good seat, it seats us at the table and moves that table to the play area that we configured earlier. Important: the scan area is configured separately for each poker room. So if you play on 2 iPoker skins at the same time, you need to configure the scan area separately for each one. To avoid problems when moving tables between zones, the play area and the scan area must not overlap. So I'll move the scan area to the side and save the settings. The scan area is a technical area for the script. It does not need to be a large grid like the play area. The recommended scan area size is 1 by 1, basically 1 table. The most important thing is that it does not overlap with the play area. If the areas do not overlap, the script will work correctly. As for the number of players, we recommend leaving the default values. Even if you do not normally play heads up at 6 max or 9 max tables, I think you would still want to do it against a weak player. SH means 6 max tables, and FR means 9 max tables. In the NL field, enter the limits you play. Below that, I want to highlight 3 options. Leave table next big blind if fish gone, close tables with empty seats, and close tables with less than. If you play limits below NL 400, we recommend enabling all 3 options. Set close tables with empty seats to 1, and set close tables with less than to 2. If you play limits above NL 400, we recommend disabling close tables with less than. MagicSeat works based on color labels, which are automatically imported from the poker room. Right now, the player notes field is empty, but later we will launch the room, the script will load the color labels from it, and then we will come back to configure them. Now let's move on to the expert section. For the reserve seat next to R option, we recommend setting the value somewhere between 1 and 2. This option controls how the script reacts to reserved seats in the poker room. If you set this value higher, or leave the default value, the script may sometimes seat you next to regulars because of the way it works. The reserve seat times and react with delay options can be turned off. We recommend keeping auto accept buy-in enabled, because on iPoker, the tables are anonymous, and only the script knows whether the buy-in should be confirmed or not. If you confirm the buy-in manually, you may get false seatings against regulars. Please note that the script does not confirm the buy-in instantly. On average, there can be a delay of up to 5 seconds. If the buy-in is not confirmed, it means the situation at the table has changed and the fish has left. You do not need to enable Move Table with Buy-in to Play area because the script confirms the buy-in automatically for us. For the same reason, you also do not need to enable Move Buy-in. If you have a weaker PC, we recommend setting Max Table to Scan to 8 or 10. If your PC is powerful, the optimal value is 14. We do not recommend setting it to 16 because due to the specifics of the iPoker engine, the poker room may start having issues when 16 tables are open at the same time. Leave Open Tables Without Fish for Scan enabled. And now let's move on to the last settings section, Extended. In this section, we are interested in 2 blocks, Delays and Nick Copy. Let's start with the first one. The Table Reopen Delay Seconds option controls the delay before a table is opened again after it has been closed in the scan area. For this option, we need to calculate the value using the following formula. Average number of tables during prime time multiplied by the average value of next table open delay seconds. For example, during prime time, I usually have around 15 tables available, so we multiply 15 by 2 and get 30. I'll enter the value with a small safety margin. Important: we use 2 as the multiplier if next table open delay seconds is set to a range from 1 to 4, because in that case, the average table opening delay is 2 seconds. If, for example, the value is set from 2 to 6, then you should multiply not by 2, but by 3. The second block, nick copy, is responsible for copying a player's nickname to the clipboard. Services like StatName allow you to install a browser extension and, with the help of our script, quickly check players in one click. I'll show you an example of how this works later, after the script seats us at a table. The main settings are ready. Now let's launch the poker room so that the script can import the color labels, and then we'll configure them. As you can see, after we logged in, the key turned green, and the colors appeared in the Player Notes field. Now let's choose the labels we want to play with. In my case, weak players are marked with all colors except red and yellow. So we uncheck the red and yellow colors to make sure the script does not seat us with strong players. It is important to always keep unmarked enabled, and to mark regulars with a separate color. This option is responsible for seating us with unknown players. We do not recommend disabling it, because with proper color marking, all regulars will have their own color, weak players will have their own colors, and since new regulars appear quite rarely, most unknown players will usually be recreational players. We do not enable the Move Table Without Seating In option, because the script automatically searches for fish and seats us at the tables. Done. The script is now configured. Now let's enable the display of all tables in the lobby. This is important for the script to work correctly. The Group View option, which groups tables together, must be turned off. One more important thing. If you want the script to always seat you with 100 big blinds, or with any other specific buy-in amount, you need to do the following for each limit you play. First, open a table manually without using the script. Second, select 100 big blinds or any other amount you want, and check the Remember My Last Selection box. Third, sit down at the table. After that, when you use the script, it will seat you with 100 big blinds, or with the amount you selected, on the limit where you performed this action. Now let's start the script. And as you can see, tables have started opening in the scan area. The script found a seat, automatically confirmed the buy-in, and moved the table to the grinding area. Now that we have been seated at a table, we can click on any player's nickname and check their playing statistics on StatName. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us on Telegram or Teams. The contact details will be listed in the description and in the pinned comment under the video.